Okay, Elaine, now, magre-review tayo ng science, okay? Okay, where is the boy? Where is the boy? Where is the girl? Very good. Ang sabi dito, face the missing body parts correctly. Anong gagawin mo ngayon? Anong ginagawa mo? Sige na, trace mo na. Buray mo na natin. Very good. Okay, next. Next is, my eyes can see God's beautiful world. Color the things that you see outside. Again, color. Go.
Chairs.
Okay. Dito ko naman sa baba. Dito, ayan. May dog, may cat. Go. Go, go, go.
Black siya.
Okay. The color of the dog is brown. Baka si Kumi yan.
Yes.
Kumi yan. Color mo. Di ba brown si Kumi? Dali, go. Go, go. Color the Kumi.
Mabad yan dog, ma.
Kasi?
Kasi agad ako dog.
Ay, pag kinagat ka ng dog, bad na yung dog, no?
No? Bad.
Pero sige na nga, bang bata ka, bad muna sila.
I want to listen kay mom.
Very good.
I'm not na agad to dog again.
Very good.
I'm not going to dog call me again.
Okay.
I don't want to go agad to dog call me.
Okay, don't go to call me.
I only go to call me to Tita Jana.
Okay, go, go, go. Marami pa tayong re-reviewin. What? What's that?
Good smell.
What is that?
Good smell.
Good smell. Very good. Cologne. Bad or good?
Bad.
Ang cologne? Mabango yun.
Mabango.
Yan. Ang shampoo, mabango ba? Good smell siya? Shampoo?
Ito.
Mabango ba? Orange? Good smell is orange?
Yes.
Yes.
Ito.
Cockroach is good smell or bad?
Bad.
Bad. Rat,
Ito.
daga. Yung daga.
Daga.
Good or bad?
Bad.
Bad.
Ito pa daga.
Ito yung basura. Good smell ba yung basura?
Hindi.
Hindi. Anong hindi?
Hindi po.
Hindi po. Yung mga leaves, yung dahon, good smell ba sila?
No.
Hindi pa tayo magkukross dyan. Ayan, nakita yung nakalagay dito, di ba? Yung may smell lang. Okay? Okay. Check the things that good smell and cross out the bad smell. Where is the goods? Ito, yung sabon. Good smell, bad? Yes, very good. Yung shampoo, good smell or bad?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Yung basura, good smell or bad? Good smell or bad smell? Bad. Very good. Cross mo na. Cross. Dito na. Ito po. I-cross mo muna yung basura. Ito na. Ito. Cross mo na. Go. Go. Cross the garbage. Go. Cross. Diba tinuro na kita? Yan. Mami, dito na sa cockroach. Dito na. Proceed na tayo dito. Ito, cockroach. Good or bad?
Bad.
Bad. Kasi mabaho yan eh. Yan. Yung usok. Good smell o bad smell? Ha?
Smell.
Bad smell. Very good. Ang orange. Good smell o bad? Sige. I-cross mo muna yan. Kasi bad yan, diba? Cross mo yung usok. Go. Yan. Cross. Cross lang, anak. Ganyan. Yan. Yung orange. Good smell o bad smell?
Ako naman.
Sige na. Yung orange, good smell o bad smell?
Good smell.
Good smell. Very good. Okay na.
Check.
Yeah. And then yung rat, good or bad smell? Good or bad smell lang? Bad smell. Yung cologne, yung pabangoy, lagay dyan. Good smell o bad smell?
Yes.
Good. Check mo, check. Yung flower, good smell o bad smell?
Bad smell.
Flower?
Good smell.
Yeah, very good. Check. Check mo na. Okay. Yung cigarette, good smell o bad smell? Usok.
Bad.
Bad. Very good.